Hello everybody, hope you're okay and keeping safe at home. I've got a little activity and it involves something cold, like our new topic, the Arctic. I'm going to do just a little activity, something you can make at home that is really simple and you can make it for a treat for you or your family. Okay, so this is what we're going to need. Some ice cream, some fresh fruit or a tin of mixed fruit, some syrup and some hundreds and thousands, and anything else that you would like to decorate with. You can get umbrellas and wafers, anything that you have in your cupboard really. Okay, so we're going to make a little Knickerbocker glory. So first of all we need a glass. It can be any kind of glass. I'm going to use a tall one, but you could use a small glass or even a plastic beaker or even your favourite teacup. It doesn't matter. Okay? And we need a spoon first of all for our ice cream. So I'm going to scoop some ice cream into my glass. Nice big scoop, and I'm going to squash it down to the bottom a little bit more. Yummy. Now if you want, in between you can put some syrup, but I'm just going to use the fruit out of the tin and put fruit straight onto my ice cream, and I've already drained it off, so I'm going to add some in there, and like that, and a bit more, like that. Then more ice cream, and we're just going to repeat that step until we get to the top of our glass. Looking yummy. Put some more fruit in. Now remember, if you use fresh fruit, to get an adult to help you to cut the fruit up into small pieces. A bit more ice cream. Oh, I think this might be my last blob of ice cream. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to add a couple of pieces of fruit on the top, like that. And that's where we have our syrup and our hundreds and thousands. I'm going to put some syrup on, squeeze it on, and it might even slide down the sides through the ice cream. You don't have to use these, but we'll have a couple of hundreds and thousands. If you do have any wafer or biscuits, you could stick a bit of biscuit in the top, and anything that you can find in the cupboards at home to make it look a little bit fancy. Okay, and that's our Knickerbocker glory. All you need to do now is eat it. Stay safe. We're missing you all at school. Bye.